already stuck here, so what up guys, we're doing some adventuring today. Welcome back to the channel. We got the kid and the doggo here today. Go do some adventuring and yeah, it's gonna be good. Yeah, she's a little dusty out. So far I have not gotten stuck out here yet. So, oh yeah. It's a bit of a windstorm with some snow, but we're looking pretty good.
They made us dicey.
Muddy.
Muddy? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Not dicey? Muddy.
Alright guys, so we got this thing in snow mode. I don't think we really need it, but there's some parts where it is quite slippery. Basically snow mode keeps you, it's just four-wheel drive all the time in basically, you know, slippery situations, kind of like this. So this Trailhawk does come with the off-road suspension and rear lockers, everything else. The brand new, I think 2022 or 2021 Trailhawk model, the updated looking version of it, Cherokee, that one actually comes with the sway bar disconnect, which I kind of wish they came with these things, but so, you know, the Cherokees are slowly getting better Cherokees for the off-road. This thing does okay, you know, obviously it's not too crazy, you know, obviously you gotta get the lift and proper tires in this thing for it to be absolutely just the best on the road, but she handles very, very well. I'm quite surprised of how capable this thing is already since I've driven it for almost a year. Entirely sure. As you guys can hear, the scrape plates are just scraping against the snow on here. It's very, very muddy and on this trail. Alright, we're already stuck here, so we're just gonna get a good old pull here. As you can see, we're kind of stuck there. She won't go anywhere. Alright, so we had to turn around because this trail is way too choppy with the snow. There's no way we're gonna go up that way. So we're just not gonna take the risk. You had to tug me out there because I got stuck. But yeah, we are gonna be just rocking back, find some other trail to go down. So we're doing pretty well in sand and mud right now. Yeah, sand and mud seems to be pretty good. This is the first time ever really using this mode in the Cherokee Trailhawk, so far she's doing good. The inclines, you know, she's slipping obviously. These tires aren't really made for straight up mud, so. But this thing handles quite well on a lot of water in this trail. A little acceleration in it. That's a deep one there.
Dad, I want my window open.
Yeah? Well, there's water coming up. Open? Okay. Alright, a little bit more snow up in this area now. Super muddy, I like it. I've never been up this way. This is, I think, a trail I'm going to come back to again. stepdad's leaf spring. He found it over there. It's funny. Alright, we got her back in auto, so we're just cruising along. We're gonna find a good spot to have a little fire. I've never been out this area, so I think I'm gonna explore more down here. I think this is a new area. I don't know many places in Vancouver Island. I'm new to this whole off-road game. Got a nice little puddle up there. I think he's gonna rock through it. I'm gonna do it though. Hey?
Her ears.
Can they?
Yeah.
My ear. Alright guys, so we just had our fire in the woods there. We're just trekking back down now, and I'm pretty much just gonna end the video by the time we get down from this little trail here. Take it real easy here. Yeah, we're good. The railroad tracks here. These railroad tracks have been shut down for years now. Bumpy one.